Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. You see that subscriber button? Yeah, me go beg you touch it so we can run up the channel to 1000 subs in. Respect in advance. So, Beenie Man decides say, oh, me nah give up my crown. Kartel can take some of that crown, but not the king of dancehall crown. The man say, yo, me acquire mobile awards, tons of Billboard hits, Grammy, 40 years of reigning and counting in the game. So no boy can't just outshine my achievement just so. The interviewer say, yo, the facts is there, you know, that a new king has risen. Beenie Man say, oh, what kind of facts? Any facts, I must fax TV per my cable. We all know there's some tension there between Beenie Man and Kartel, but more you the audience tell me, can the king of dancehall title be shared 50-50? Make me know.
Some Billboard hits and 40 years of music, so yeah, you cannot be disputed for saying king after that.
So you're not in contention with Fox now, are you?
No, for what reason? You see, the only facts I know is the Fox News, like the one with on my cable. So I never even see the whole thing about that. Because you know my thing, though. I don't deal with the negative, I deal with the positive.
I hope so, because I haven't been following. I know that there's something brewing.
Yeah, but me have to see it.
Kingship and so on, but I don't know the details, so I don't know what you've said.
But everybody wants to be king. I mean, I say that, that's the one I say. We do 100% of work, Zane, and it's there to show and to proving that the work have been done and keep on continue doing. So I don't know what's going on. So.
But you're not taking issues with Kartel, are you?
For what reason? I'm not taking no issue with Kartel. Every man wants to be king, you know. And I'm proud that somebody wants my crown. It's like, seriously.
Okay.
Because I am not a rival to Kartel. I am not Kartel competition. You understand? I am here before him and still here with him.
But would you agree that there can be more than one king?
Of course. They can be king of a street, they can be king of a shot, they can be king of the whole dancehall culture overall. So I don't know why people is arguing or why.
Up next we have Shalam. I describe Papi, that a Popcaan entourage. The man say, yo, Papi I walk with a group of man there, brother. You know, normal. He said that alone make Popcaan untouchable. Shalam say, yo, even if you got think for run up on Papi, brother, you have to think again.
Unruly gang. Me know so I saw them man there. Me tell you something, when you see Papi I go to left him. I some mad bumbuckler man. Me say me day night, I some mad man them. Big up the whole like native them. Big up the whole like go with them. And me love how them a whole off the back. You can't go near him man. Me tell you man, he untouchable man. Me tell you man, he untouchable man. Nobody try man, none of you know in the world man. Me tell you. And I first me ever go up one blood clot. And thing there with them, me tell you say. I told me I go, but me I tell you nobody with nobody. You say I got in the earth. Me I tell you no believe me I'm a go. A long time me I tell you but I don't believe me. Left him alone. Yeah, we better try so one other way. When you see him, especially when you see him I go out the road. Me I tell you man, no ramp with him a hot tile. Me I tell you I'll get burn up. Me I tell you hot tile, hottest bomb buckle at high we are born at Jamaica now.
It's a good for one picture, no? You take care already?
Video.
So you know Papi keep him Maroon Town show. We all know Popcaan love him culture. If I want thing with him nah leave out in Jamaican heritage. And you know saying call out Shalam on stage for chat to the crowd and you know the guru do him thing. I make you watch it.
Say why y'all? The artist friend in there. On the gang is there.
Amen now. Amen now. I will not to be come down now. Come down now. Thank you, Santi. Come down now. Answer. Because
Hey, on time.
remember sometimes, she's going. Because yourself, Mr. Don't let the door about them. Come down. Let me say. Come down now. Because we keep the one started. Come down now. Let me see, son. Let me see again. Time away. Hey. Come down now. Politicians, we come down now. Say, shut up. You can come down now. Hey, I don't know that now. Let's do down now, Mr. I don't put any more people in there. Because all I need to get, all I want to do it. That's all. Come down now. Come down now. Come down now. Touch this and we come down now. We start. We come down now. Butterfly. We come down now. Stand down like go. I go down now. Go fish the house ball. It's Skippy. We come down now. I'm there. Yes, something. Come down now, man. Someone's making like you now, blind man. Say then a long time, but you are going to burn my listen up. Pull up. Listen. What are the people? Listen. Everything above ground is a blessing and a lesson at the same time. Give a dance. All different words. So we know say nice finger again. Yeah? We know what the size of the thing. Yeah? We know where the fall and the picking. But how way boy put in my chicken. Yeah? How way boy put in my chicken. Yeah? Anyone the scene I got this thing. Give me read one more time, we drop one more. Listen on. I wonder what to do them. But I want to send to my room them. Because the sun is all like over the tree and nobody can move them. Don't say it is going over. I see you doing another government say. Hey, never. Let me drop it. Now go to the one and talk. I can't say a pastor. Shalam. Chief Curry. I don't know what for them. Shalam I represent for the Maroons them. Because we stand as a rock like a old guango tree and nobody can move them. Don't say the reason doing over. I be a guru not a government soldier. No, not why. Everyone don't come no closer. Shalam.
All the way Shalam's a young butler. I'm Maroon done it. I really like this.